by DJ Nazareth with United City Plugin, and today we're going to talk about 10 DJ controls for under $250 for the average and entry-level DJ, starting with number 1.
The Hercules DJ Starter Kit. Here are the features. A complete kit to get started. Comes with Serato DJ Lite. The portable DJ controller Starlight is a 2-deck DJ controller with built-in audio interface. Comes with Hercules DJ Monitor 32. Headphones, and the cost is only $169. Number 2, Numark Mixtrack Pro FX USB DJ Controller. Here are the features. The Mixtrack Pro FX is a Serato DJ controller. Large 6-inch jog wheels, a 24-bit digital audio interface. 6 dedicated software effects buttons for easy transitions. 16 performance pads for hot cues, auto loop, faders and sampling. Also, you can even stream the music you love direct from SoundCloud, and the cost is $229. Number 3, the Pioneer DJ DDJ-200 Smart DJ Controller. Here are the features. The Pioneer DDJ-200 Smart DJ Controller is designed for both beginners and professionals. Connect the DDJ-200 to your iPhone or Android and mix songs from your iTunes via Pioneer's app. Multi-app compatibility and support for music streaming services. Transition FX, world's first feature on a controller 6, enabling easy performing of professional sounding mixes in various styles. Phrase sync feature, world's first feature on a controller for easy, natural switches between tracks. Record box included. This is United City's favorite pick, and the cost is $159. Number 4. The Hercules Universal DJ, Bluetooth, plus USB DJ controller with wireless tablet and smartphone integration. Here are the features. Metal surface on jog wheels. Comes with the Juice software. Mixing controls for 2 separate decks. Built-in audio interface featuring speaker and headset outputs, and an external input. 16 pads, backlit buttons enabling users to locate controls easily, even in low light conditions. Lightweight and portable, costing $212. Another United City plugin favorite is the Roland DJ 202 2-channel, 4-deck DJ controller. Includes Serato DJ Lite, 2 channels, 2 low latency platters, built-in drum kits, independent sampler, 8 dedicated pads with hot cue, loop, sequencer, and sampler modes for controlling Serato DJ software. Mic input with gate, high pass, and echo FX. Connects straight to your speakers or amplifier via RCA stereo outputs. USB bus powered with a lightweight, compact enclosure costing only $230. Number 6, the Hercules DJ Control Impulse 500. Here are the features. 2-deck USB DJ controller for Serato DJ Lite and Juiced. Built-in audio interface. 16 backlit RGB pads, large jog wheels, built-in hardware input mixer and retractable feet. The poor man's Pioneer 1000 comes with all the basics, and it costs only $250.
And speaking about Pioneer DJ, number 7, Pioneer DJ DDJ-REV1. Here are its features. Battle style setup with longer tempo faders above the decks. Larger jog wheels, same as the DDJ SB3. You don't no longer need any external equipment such as a sound card or a separate mixer to work this microphone with the DJ controller. Lever FX to lock or tap on the effects while scratching or mixing. And like I said, the REV1 did replace the Pioneer DJ SB3, and it's only costing $250.
Number 8, Native Instruments, Traktor Control S2 and K2 Professional DJ Controller. Here are the features. Jog mode, with classic spin to nudge function. Beat grid adjust mode, use the jog wheel to manually adjust beat grid in Traktor. Club standard layout with identical deck design, 2-channel mixer. 16 RGB pads for triggering hot cues, loops, or samples. Headphone output. 3-band EQs with modeling of industry standard mixer EQs. The Native Instruments Traktor Control S2 MK2 DJ controller was released in 2013. The controller is still a demand for many DJs, and the cost is $150. Number 9. Native Instruments Traktor Control Z1. Here are the key features. The Traktor Control Z1 from Native Instruments is a portable 2-channel DJ mixing interface for Traktor LIN 3, Traktor DJ 2, and Traktor Pro 3. It also features a separate low-latency headphone queue, letting you monitor tracks and create smooth transitions. Additionally, the Control Z1 includes Traktor LIN 3 software. The Z1 is a dedicated mixer with 3-band equalizer, gain, filter, and key-listen controls for each channel. The knobs, faders, and high-visibility backlit buttons and meters provide total control over your digital DJ system. You can mix and manipulate on the fly using tactile controls, even apply filters and effects with one intuitive sweep knob. Combined with Traktor DJ and an iPad, the Z1 becomes a plug-and-play, 2-deck DJ setup with tactile control. The Traktor Control Z1 even charges a connected iPad while in use. This basic mixer prices from $180 to $219.
And finally, number 10, the Behringer CMD Studio 4A DJ controller. Here are its features. The unit is quite large, the size of a Traktor Control S4. While still quite light compared to other units under $200, it looks very professional. 6 jog wheels, long throw pitch faders, long line faders, 8 hot cue buttons per deck, decent sized buttons everywhere, spacing between the EQ and the FX knobs, with the Q and master mix knobs in the front of the unit, with included a 1/4-inch headphone socket. All this really means is a very user-friendly layout overall. Back panel is very simple with a USB socket for the computer, a DC in for power, and a pair of RCA outputs. You can't fault the value for this price. The beginner is getting a decent sized controller, some pretty powerful software such as Decadence LE, and the chance to learn to DJ on something that isn't so complicated and over the price. By the way, the price for this Behringer mixer is only $180 now. So there it is, 10 DJ controls for under $250 for those who are taking their first steps in playing with a DJ controller. Devices needed to begin with is a laptop, headphones, and speakers. There is a full range of DJ softwares, free or fee, tools like Automated Sync that helps newbies mix like the professionals. Although it's entirely is impossible to hang the basics of DJing with just a laptop or a tablet, DJ controllers deliver a number of benefits that other devices cannot offer. All material used in this video will be in the description section below, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments section. And by the way, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, follow us on these social media platforms. Anyway, I'm DJ Hell Nazareth with United City Plugin. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.